Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a heart hairstyle. I've started by pulling the sides of her hair back into a half ponytail, and then I'm going to grab another strand right underneath that on each side. I'm going to take this strand of hair and I'm going to bring it underneath this piece that's coming into the elastic here. So to do that, I'm just going to lift this entire thing up and stick a couple fingers under there and then just pull it right up through. Now I'm going to go back and kind of push down on this so that it loosens up underneath. And I'm going to bring my fingers up this way and pull it through again. We've actually shown this type of heart on our channel before, and I will have those hairstyles linked below. And then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. So again, I'm going to lift this elastic up and grab underneath. And then I'm going to push this section down. And again, reach underneath that and pull the rest through. Now that I have both of those strands pulled through, I'm going to grab them and join them here in the middle with this main ponytail. And you'll just want to make sure that your heart looks even. If you need to tighten it up or loosen it up on either side, you can do that. Okay, now that we have that heart in place, you could actually leave your hair just like this. We've done this hairstyle several times and it's super cute. But today we're going to add on to it. For the next step, I'm going to grab a strand of hair right here near her ear, just kind of underneath where this hair is coming in, and we're going to start a regular braid. So now that I have that braid started, from here on out on this bottom strand, I'm going to be removing a small piece each time before I bring that over. I'm just braiding the top in normally and only removing from the bottom. Now that I've braided this over to the point where I'm even with the center and this elastic, I'm just going to braid it down a few times more and then I'm going to go ahead and tie it off. So this is how it should look at this point. As you can see, these feathered strands stop before I get to the elastic. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this other side. So again, I'm just going to be removing the strands from this bottom piece. And I'm going to continue that until I get to the center. Okay, now I'm going to take both sides of these braids and I'm just going to tie them together right over this elastic that we already have there. All right, now we're going to bring one more braid under each side and we're going to add in these feathered strands. Same as before, I'm just going to start a regular braid, but this time we're going to be adding the pieces in instead of taking them out. So every time I'm here on the top of the braid, I'm going to cross that over and then add in a piece that we left out from the braid before. And then here on the bottom, I'm just braiding it normally. Now that I've added in all those strands from the top, I'm just going to braid a regular braid. And we're just going to do the exact same thing over here. We're going to add in all of these extra pieces until we get to the center again. All right, the last step is just to tie these two braids together.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget